Hi, this is Paulette from the Magical Needle, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on using a 1/4 inch foot and why I think a 1/4 inch foot is so important when quilting and sewing. So on this project, it's a Christmas stocking, and I want all the stitches to be even from the edge. So I am using my 1/4 inch foot. It is so easy to go around curves when I'm sewing using the 1/4 inch foot. So I highly recommend it. Okay, so I'm using binding clips too to help hold this stocking together. And you can see how fast I could sew on the stocking. And when I'm using a 1/4 inch foot, you could see how easy it is to go around the curves of the stocking. Look at that, how easy is that? And I get perfect stitches all along, and it's completely even all along the edge.